In the last lecture, we made the bottom margin align with the baseline grid. Therefore, I will realign my grid lines. I press Ctrl A, and drag the 4 grid lines to the bottom margin. Now let's say, I need 6 pages. On my page, I have created 3 linked text columns. I would like 5 more pages with these text columns. To do this, I will go to Page, Copy. I copy page 1 and its content, which are the linked text columns. I need 5 copies. I want these pages to be added at the end of the document. I can also insert pages at a specific place. I click on OK. Now I place some text. I right mouse click, and choose Sample Text. Having more than one page, I would like to get a left and a right page, called a spread. I go to Windows, and open Arrange Pages. The Arrange Pages window is the same as the Pages window in InDesign. Below Document Layout, I choose Facing Pages. I set the first page on left page. To have the text flow from the left page to the right page, I click on the third text frame. Then I click on the Link Text Frames tool, and click on the next text frame. The text will flow to the next spread, so I click on the last text frame. I click on the Link Text Frames tool, and click on the first text frame of the next spread. I do this until all text is visible. To quickly go to a page, I can simply click on that page, in the Arrange Pages window. If you don't need individual frames, there is a quick way to create a document with linked text frames. I create a new document, and set the number of pages to 6. I click on Facing Pages. I set the first page to be the left page. I activate Automatic Text Frames, and set columns to 3. I set the gutter to 5 mm, and click on OK. I place some text. As we can see, the text frames are connected between the pages. When I make the text chain visible, we see how the text frames are linked. To delete a page, you can simply drag the page into the trash bin. When you have to insert or delete a larger amount of pages, it is more efficient to do this via the Page menu. I will insert 2 pages, by going to Page, Insert. I will insert the pages at the end, which is page 4. In the next lecture, we will look at master pages.